Hello everyone. Luxmage is a company that focuses on innovative display solutions. We provide a comprehensive creative solution for LED screens, from consulting to design, production, installation, and warranty, all in a single service. With over 20 years of experience in the optics industry, Luxmage has quickly established itself as one of the most innovative and trusted providers in the market. We are proud to have implemented many exceptional projects in Vietnam, such as the first automatic door with a transparent screen for Alpha King. The transparent LED screen integrated by Luxmage can slide or open like a normal automatic door. Following that was the first suspended transparent LED screen for Vincom Tran Duy Hung in Hanoi. It is in the central atrium area, with 30 square meters. And the first invisible railing display for the Sacombank headquarters. It transforms the railing into an advertising tool, no longer just for protection. And some other projects in Vietnam.